So greetings, everybody. I thought I go out for a quick walk here and enjoy the unseasonably warm temperature. It's almost 70 degrees out here right now in the month of January. Okay, folks. But I thought I'd point out this case with ICE that took place in Minnesota, where a lady basically tried to evade ICE agents and almost run over one of the agents, who ended up basically shooting her. So these agents go out there day in and day out to protect the public, enforce the law, and put themselves in harm's way day in and day out. All right, folks. So the least the public could do is try to get out of the way. You wouldn't want to be doing what they're doing, so try not to get entangled with what they're being hired for by the public, because taxpayers pay these ICE agents to do what they're doing. All right, folks. And I just thought I'd point this out because I don't understand why certain people wants to get involved in the work of ICE, because there are legal immigrants in the country that needs help. Why don't you help these legal immigrants instead of trying to stir up things with the law enforcement agents, who, by the way, were given lethal weapons, just like cops were given lethal weapons to defend themselves, protect the public, and make sure that law and order is present wherever it is they're trying to deploy their activities. All right, folks. So I just kind of want to discuss this and point this out to the public there, because there's tons of legal immigrants that needs help in this country, but yet so many people are going out of their way to obstruct and interfere with basically enforcing the law on I just don't get it. If you're messing with people, cops, and law enforcement out there that are trying to protect the public. For example, if a cop were to pull over somebody's speeding, or somebody that rob another person's house, and then you go in between that and insert yourself in a situation that you shouldn't have been in, well, guess what, folks? That's obstruction of justice. That's basically getting involved in enforcing the law of the land. All right, folks. So do yourself a favor. If you don't want to be entangled or shot at by these law enforcement officers, then get out of the way. Okay, folks. Simple as that. I mean, my heart goes out to the family and friends of the lady who ended up perishing. But you know what, folks? Cops and law enforcement agents have been killed in this country. Many of them doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing, protecting the public. All right, folks. So with that said, please consider what I'm talking about and reflect on what I'm talking about, because guess what, folks? These law officers are out there to serve. They swore, the oath of office to protect and serve the public, and that's what they're exactly doing now. Okay, you don't want mayhem. You don't want, all these violence taking place when all you have to do is get out of their way. Simple as that. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Take care.